Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum, and this, of course, is John Keane, Master Sergeant retired, U.S. Army, right?
Correct.
And the NFA specialist for M8Cs. Now, we did a desktop video on this thing, the M8C spotting rifle yesterday. Well, not we, I did one. And I thought it was really cool, and then we're taking a look at, well, we're going to come out to the range, we're going to bring some cool stuff to shoot, looking at all the cool submachine guns that are in this this upcoming one of yours. And I kind of thought to myself, like, the guy who consigned that M8C consigned some ammo with it.
Yes, indeed.
Can we shoot it? And John went,
Yeah, let me call him and get permission.
heck yeah!
And he said, absolutely, yes.
In fact, the previous owner, immediately before he sent it to Morphe's, apparently put 10 rounds through it.
Yes,
like,
he did.
It's my last chance, I'm getting rid of it, let's play with it one last time.
Indeed.
And so, do you know of any others of these?
This is the only one I'm aware of that I've encountered.
Like,
And it's really great that we got this great ammo
yeah.
with it. And you can get this ammunition. It's out there. And it's good quality ammunition too.
Yeah.
Always goes bang.
12.7 by 77.
Correct.
Much lower velocity than standard 50 Browning because it's ballistically matched to the 106mm howitzer that this should have been mounted on.
Correct.
I like what the guy's done with the tripod here.
Oh yeah, it makes it a fine shooting platform. Because otherwise, what are you going to do with it?
Right. The only thing it's missing is a bracket for like a scope.
If it were me, I would build a bracket that would put a monocular on it.
That'd be super easy. You can just bolt something right onto that. But we are going to bore sight this thing down the length to make sure we're hitting our berm, and we're going to try it out.
Absolutely.
Have you ever shot one of these?
No, just
Neither have I.
This is going to be a great opportunity.
All right, let's do this. So this thing is sitting on a Bren tripod. We have gone ahead and weighted the front down with a can of ammo and a big rock, because we didn't think to bring sandbags. Oops. All right, we've got our magazine well. We've got our 10-round magazine. I have loaded 5 in it because we don't need to totally go nuts. This is the trigger. You just pull that back. Normally, this would have been connected by a longer cable to the actual trigger on the recoilless rifle. Not a howitzer, a recoilless rifle. So, magazine's in place. All right, John, who's gonna fire the first shot through it? You gonna rock, paper, scissors this?
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
One,
One,
two,
two, three.
Ah!
Scissors, scotch,
All
paper.
right, John gets the first shot. Here we go.
Ready?
Whenever you're ready, John. Nice.
Trying to put a hole in that piece of 2x4 there.
All right, now my turn. You guys ready? Here we go. You can really spot the impact. I'm not seeing the tracer. I think while the rounds may occasionally light early, but they wouldn't normally light at a range this close, and they're meant to trace out to 1,500 yards, so. Well, that's really cool. A really unusual opportunity to shoot something very scarce. It would be super cool to see this go to a person who can actually put it on a recoilless rifle, but the next best thing is having this tripod, set it up with an optic, or perhaps better yet, just make an adapter so that you can mount this on one of those MG3 Lafette mounts that already have integrated optics in them. That would be a really cool setup. A lot of fun. 50 cal, but less 50 cal than 50 Browning. So, all right, I'm gonna fire one more round. Big thanks to Morphe's for giving us the chance to come out here. Thanks, John, for catering to my kooky idea that we should come actually shoot this thing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. No! Oh, I forgot to
pocket there.
It works better with a round in the chamber. I unloaded it to fix the weight at the front. Here we go. I saw the trace on that one.